In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a vinyl floor transition strip. I'm going to hold this here, make sure there's a little room between this and the floor, and then I'm going to mark this here, making sure that my piece is going to cover that line because I am going to cut this flooring back so I can attach this strip. Now I cut a straight piece of scrap wood, hold it here so I can make a mark. That is what I'm going to cut out. I'm going to measure this, 31 3/4, 31 3/4. I can cut this with some tin snips or a circular saw, whatever you have at your disposal. I'm going to want to raise this up because when I put my piece in here, it is not going to attach. So I got 2 shims and I've locked it into this piece. There we go. So I'm going to use 2 shims here. Hold these at the same length. I'm going to cut them back a little bit more. And I'm going to use these little tiny nails to attach it. I'm going to test fit it. Yeah, looking good. Nice. Nice and even to both floors. Looking good.